Hi everyone! Today I'll be presenting the gasoline engine power sprayer. This machine is powered by a Red Comet ET212 gasoline engine with a 7.2 horsepower and a Kawasaki WM25A pump connected via belt. So tama naman yung rinig nyo. 7.2 horsepower. Diba ang dami po ng power for such a small machine? No wonder it can spray full field so fast. So, yung mga farmers natin, ginagamit po nila nito to spray pesticides, fertilizers, and disinfectants efficiently. So, bali, compared po to manual sprayer, it's faster, stronger, and can cover bigger areas, saving our farmers time and effort. Move on na po tayo, or let's check out the main part of this machine and see what makes it tick. So, doon na nga po tayo sa main parts ng machine na to. Unang-una si engine na merong 7.2 horsepower. This is the heart of the machine which burns gasoline to produce mechanical energy which powers the pump and makes the liquid move. Just like our body, the heart is essential for us to do work. Without the engine, the whole machine can run. Pangalawa naman si belt and pulley system. Think of this as the power transfer bridge. The spinning engine moves the belt, which turns the pulley on the pump. This is how the engine's energy reaches the pump efficiently. Yung pinaka-pump naman o yung sa makikita natin sa picture yung sa Kawasaki WM25A. O pwede natin siyang tawaging muzzle. This is the muzzle of the sprayer. It uses pistons to pull liquid from the tank and push it out under high pressure. This pressure is what allows the liquid to travel through hoses and reach far distances. Si tank naman, this is where the spraying liquid is stored. It can hold fertilizers, pesticides, or yung ating mga disinfectants. The pump draws liquids from here whenever this spray. Hoses and nozzle naman. Ito yung hoses that carry the pressurized liquid to the nozzle. And the nozzle turns the liquid into tiny droplets. So ito yung mga tinatawag nating atomization. So si hoses and nozzle, this ensures even coverage on plant leaves and prevents waste or dripping. So, yung all these parts po work together like a team to turn a tank of liquid into a fine, efficient spray for our crops. So, how it works? With atomization. Ito po yung step by step natin kung paano siya nag-work. So, nagsisimula tayo kay engine. Engine starts. The Red Comet ET212 burns gasoline and produces 7.2 horsepower of power. That's what drives the whole machine. Pangalawa, nagkakaroon tayo ng power transfer. The belt carries this energy to the pump. Then, pump creates pressure. So, yung pistons in the Kawasaki pump pull liquid from the tank and pinupush it out niya strongly. Then, liquid flows through hoses. So, the pressurized liquid travels toward the nozzle. So, ano nga ba yung atomization na sinasabi natin kanina? Ito po yung at the nozzle. The pressurized liquid is broken into tiny droplets forming fine mist or spray. Ito po yung process na tinatawag nating atomization. And it helps spread the chemicals evenly on the crops for better coverage. So basically, engine, power, pump, pressure, nozzle equals atomization. So, yung machine na to is very useful for our farmers since nagagamit nila to sa spraying pesticides to protect our crops, applying fertilizer for better growth, spraying herbicides to control yung mga weeds sa paligid na isa kung bakit nagkakaroon ng competition ng nutrients. Ginagamit din to ng our farmers to disinfect yung farms or animal pens. So, it saves time, effort, and chemicals, making spraying easier and more efficient. So, yun na nga po, that's a gasoline engine power sprayer with its red Comet ET212 with 7.2 horsepower engine and Kawasaki WM25A pump. So, it combines engine power, pump pressure, liquid flow, and atomization to spray crops efficiently. Lastly, let's all remember na a small machine with a big power definitely a helper for our farmers. That's all. Thank you.